Okay, Bayahs stuff has arrived, so we're going to have a quick unboxing. Don't look at the top of my head because I'm going bald. I'm not going bald, I'll actually shave. Right, what's that? That is just the fan, which is already there. This is a big fucking box. Right, looking for a knife. Stop getting my ass. Not the ideal way to get this out. Ow. Alright, that's your case. Oh yeah. Not as snazzy as mine. Not as snazzy as mine, as if you can have a look at mine. Without the coffee cups. If disregard the table, that's going to get replaced. There's the system. Oh, and that's the little bad boy. And I already binned the old system because that was pretty much knackered. Well, this is slightly smaller than mine. Right, let's unbox the screen that Bayahs is actually sitting on. Make sure you get me in the shot as well.
I was going to make him cry and show them my computer.
Frigging kid at the candy store. If you can hear that noise in the background, that is Bayahs' old system still running. That's the screen, 23.5 inch that is. That's what she said. Right, I'll set this up. Well, not set it up, but I will. There's your screen. Shame we can't afford 3, but oh well. Maybe one day, Rodney. Yes, that's the old system. What a bag of crap, eh? Okay, that's it. See you later.